Hola mi gente bella, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy, and if you're new here, this is lacomidadejeremie, where we share 100% plant-based recipes. And today is nothing short of that. I'm going to be teaching you guys to make a traditional Puerto Rican dish known as pastelon. For those of you that don't know what a pastelon is, it's basically a sweet plantain lasagna, and that's the most simple way I can explain it. It is one of my favorite dishes that I grew up eating, and it is so simple to make. As you guys already know, when it comes to recipes, there's so many variations of it. So if you grew up in the island or you grew up in the States, I bet there's like a war going on between people because there are so many different ways to make this specific recipe. So today I'm going to show you guys the way I grew up eating it, the most simple way to make it. We're going to be frying some plantains. We're going to make a delicious, easy picadillo beef and adding some mozzarella and cheddar cheese to that with a little bit of egg. And of course, it's all vegan. And before we get into the video, I do want to mention that I made mine in a very small baking dish. So it was very difficult to take photos, videograph, and then also like just take the thing out of it. So don't judge me, but if you guys make this, I suggest making it in a bigger baking dish. But whichever way you decide to make it, it is one delicious ass dish, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, there you guys have it. You guys are going to be able to create an easy, traditional Puerto Rican dish known as pastelon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, go out there, go to your Christmas parties, take this with you. I hope you guys recreate this. If you do, make sure you guys post a picture to Instagram, tag me at lacomidadejeremie. Also, be sure you follow me on there because we have so much fun on there. Also, subscribe to the channel. Join the familia. What are you waiting for? I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Happy holidays.